Okay, 25 we can write 3 into 8 plus 1. So every number, every positive number, we can express this way. But this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Okay, remainder is always less than this number, maybe 0 or less than number. Correct? Look, suppose 25 divided by 5, 5, 25, 0. Okay, remainder is can be 0 or less than number. Okay, remainder can be, look, remainder can be 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4. That's only. Correct or no? Suppose when we divide a number divided by 3, remainder can be 0 or 1, 2, not 3. Why 3? If not 3, we can divide again. Correct or not? Like suppose 11 divided by 2. Look at here. 11 divided by 2. 5, 10, 1. Okay. So remainder is 1. This one, so every positive integers, we can divide this way. This is first introduced by Euclid. Okay. Euclid only first informed this one. But this is applicable only positive numbers. That time, there was no negative numbers. Okay. So Euclid what just said, A and B are two positive integers. Okay. Then A equal to B into Q plus R. A and B are two positive integers. Then A equal to BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R and 0 less than or equal to or less than B. That means the remainder is always less than R. That means if it is A divided by 5, remainder can be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear or not? If A divided by 3, listen. A number divided by another number. Suppose A divided by 5. Okay, what are the possible remainders? Look, 10 divided by 3. We don't know the remainder. Remainder chance is what? Maybe 0 or 1 or 2, not 3. Why? If it is 3, we can divide again. Correct or not? So, clear or not? Okay, that's all telling. If a number, suppose 100 divided by 6, what are the possible remainders? We don't know. Possible remainders are 0. 0 also there is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's why we are telling this is one first introduced by Euclid. Okay, that's why it is called the Euclid division algorithm or Euclid division lemma. Okay. What he said, but the limitation is only for two numbers and positive numbers only. Okay, that time there is no negative integers and all. Okay, so here A and B. This is the I'll give the note. Don't write. A and B are two positive integers. Then A equal to BQ plus R 0 less than or the condition is an important thing. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Clear or not? Hello, clear or not? Okay, so now this is called Euclid division lemma or Euclid division algorithm. Algorithm means what? Steps to come. Algorithm means what? Steps to complete a task. Okay, it's an Arabic word. Arabs only find this word. That's why it's algorithm, like algebra. Okay, right? Al-Kubus, Al-Fahil, Al-Abolifa, like that. That's why it's called algorithm. The steps, how to finalize the steps. Okay, and Arabs so many contributions in numbers, like even numbers also Arabs only. Indian number 0 from India. 1, 2, 3, and don't start from Arabs contributions only. Okay. Okay. So now look at here and lemma. Lemma means a proven statement. It is used for to solve another theorems. I'll give a note this all. Okay. Now using this one, we can find out the HCF. Okay. We can find the HCF of numbers using by Euclid division lemma. Okay. Otherwise, you can use it's a proven statement. Lemma is a proven statement. It's a proven statement used to prove another statements and all. Okay. Now, so clear now? Is it okay? You have to learn. You have to by heart this definition. What is a Euclid division lemma? Lemma means, listen, Euclid division lemma means, or Euclid division algorithm is, it's a and B are two positive integers. Then A equal to, what you can write? A equal to B into Q plus R. The conditions are very important thing. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. For example, A equal to 3Q plus R. R equal to R. 0, 1, 2. Not 3. This is the theorem. Okay. Now, using Euclid division lemma, you can find the HCF. Okay. I'll show one question. I think your school also done this one, right? Yeah, I'll give the note. I'll give the note. Okay. Okay. Write first the note. Then right. Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma. Euclid is studied already. EUCLID. Euclid division lemma. Okay. Or Euclid division algorithm. Okay. You cannot change you cannot change your own sentence. Is a holy line. Okay. Right. Exactly like this. Given positive integers. Given positive integers. Given positive integers. Don't change the words. Okay. Given positive integers. Given positive integers A and B. A and B, comma. A and B, comma. A and B, comma. There exist unique integers, Q and R satisfying A equal to BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R, comma, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Okay. Clear or not? Exactly. Okay. Given positive integers. Hello. Given positive integers A and B, comma. There exist unique integers. There exist unique integers Q and R satisfying A equal to BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R. Then 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Okay. Don't change your own words. This one. Okay. So Euclid division lemma. How Euclid said exactly like this. You are write it. Okay. Then next one. Algorithm. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. That means the steps. Suppose we have planned something, you'll be write the steps. That's only. Okay. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a problem. Okay. Next, lemma. A lemma is a proven statement. A lemma is a proven statement. A lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. Used for another statement. Used for another statement. Used for another statement. Okay. Now, look at here. Don't write now. Now, how to find the HCF by Euclid division lemma? Okay. Look at here. Don't write two numbers, 210 and 55. How to use it? Look. Algorithm, path. Algorithm is what? A series of. An algorithm is a series of well-defined. An algorithm is a series of. Before algorithm, I said Euclid division lemma. We didn't write that. Path. Hello. Path. Oh, half one. Okay. Three case only I said. First, look at here. First one, given positive integers. Given, listen. First lemma, Euclid division lemma. Given positive integers, given positive integers A and B. Given positive integers A and B, comma, there exist unique integers Q and R. Q and R satisfying A equal to BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Path. Clear or not? Hello, path. Okay, that means what? Any number you can write. Look, suppose 10 equal to 3 into 3 plus 1, like that. Any number you can write like this. 5 equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay, 100. 33 into 3 plus 1, like that. 25. You wrote what? 3 into 8 plus 1. Okay, clear now? This is the one. Clear or not? Okay. Second part, I explained about the algorithm. Algorithm means what? Just steps. Suppose you are going to plan a dance. First you make a plan, or you're going for a picnic, or you're going for a program. You have a plan. That's called algorithm. Okay. What is that? Yeah, we can write 8 into 3 plus 1. Okay. Any order you can write. Okay. Clear now? Because if you are dividing, if you are dividing by 8, quotient is 3. If you are divided by 8, quotient is 8, like that. Okay. Lemma, a proven statement. Lemma is a proven statement. Lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. Lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. Okay. Now, I'll show you how to find out the HCF by Euclid division lemma. Look at here. Look, two numbers here, 210 and 55. Okay. So first of all, you divide 210 divided by 55. Okay. How much? 210 divided by 55 is quotient is what? 3, right? Then here what you get? 165. Then what is the remainder? Remainder is what? 45. Okay. Then again 45, 55 divided by 45. This number again we divide it. Okay, listen. First normal 210 divided by 55. Quotient is 3 and 165, 45. Then 55 divided by 45. What is 145? 10. Okay. It's a part of the work. Don't go to the working column. Okay. Then again 45 divided by 10. 4, 45. Last one. 10 divided by 5. 2, 10, 0. That means HCF is what? So HCF is what? 5. HCF is 5. So you can write HCF of 210, 55 equal to 5. Okay. Clear or not? HCF of 210, 55 equal to 5. Soham. Hello. Soham. Why late? Okay. So clear or not? Understood or not? Because you already done in school. Is it okay? Okay. Okay, then if you want, look at here. If you want, you can make a table. Look, A, B. Look, if you want, you can make a table like this. Listen. Look at here. Look, A, B, Q, R. Okay. Here, 210. First you got 2, right? Quotient 45. Now, 210 divided by what? 55. Quotient is 2, 45, right? Then 55 you did. 45, 1, 10. 45, 10, and 2. Now 4, 5. Then 10. 5, 2, 0. That means 5 is the 5 is what? 5 is what? 5 is the HCF. Clear now? Okay, HCF is 5. The first number is quotient is what? 3. No. Where is quotient? 3. Oh, when you divide it, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, correct. You're right. Okay. Right. Yes. Okay. Okay. So if you want, you can make a table like this. This table, listen. This table will be useful. End of this section, there is another method to express in linear combination. To express in linear combination, we can use it. So better you write this way also last. If you want, you can write. Okay. Okay. I'll try another question. Look at here. I'll try another one. Then you only can start. Okay. Okay. Look at here. 237, 81. Look. $237, 81. Okay. Okay now. So okay, can see now. Okay. There is some connection issue. Okay. Okay, 237, 81. Look, what we will do? 237 divided by 81. How much? Can you calculate? 3. Okay. Then 3 or 2? 3? Sure. How come 3, man? It is 2. 2. 2 only, right? Hello, 2. Then 162. Balance 75, right? Who's telling this Navneet? How come 163? 2 only, no, 162, right? Okay, because 81 into 2. Okay, then remainder 75, right? Okay, next what? Next 81 divided by 75. 1, okay, 75, okay, balance how much? 6. Okay, then 75 divided by 6. 1, 6, 15, 2, 12, 3. Correct? Then last one. 6 divided by 3. 2, 6, 0. What is HCF? 3. HCF is 3. Okay, clear or not? Is it okay? If you are making the table, we can paste all. Look, we can paste the table out here. A, B, Q, R. It's not compulsory, okay? Just paste 237, 81, 275. Then 81, 75, 1, 6, 75, 6, 12, 3, 6, 3, 2, 0. Okay, I made it all in the table. That's all. Okay, so you want to try one? Okay, try some question. Okay, right. First one, find the HCF of. Find the HCF of. Right. Find the HCF of 210 and 55. 210 and 55. Okay, try all. Listen, since this portion is already there, sure one question in exam using Euclid division lemma. You cannot find any other method. Okay, right. Find the HCF of 210 and 55. 210 and 55. 210 and 55. Bhavans, you reach here or not? That one, I just try example only, man. Able, copy in your notebook. Okay. Okay. 210 and 55. Okay, so try this one. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay, next question, right. 135 and 225. 135 and 225. 135. Next question. 135 and 225. 135 and 225. 135 and 225. Okay, fine. One 35 and 225. Okay, start. What is HCF? Okay. Okay. 2. Hey, 2. What do you got? 45 or 2? Sharanya, why late? Hello, Sharanya. Sharanya. It's 15 minutes you late. No, 45, 30 minutes you late. Sharanya. You started at 1:15. Hello. How come which net you are using? Which net you are using? Ooredoo, STC, or same? Okay. So now what is the question here? 225. Okay, look, 225 divided by 135. So 135. What is the balance? 90. Okay. Then 135 divided by 90. 90, 45. Then 90, 45 to 90, 0. HCF is 45. Okay. Balance. Clear or not? Okay. Rohidasha, is it okay? Rohidasha, hello. Okay, so next question, right? 196, 190, 196, 38220. 196, 196, 196, 38, 220, 220, 196, 38, 220. Only using Euclid division lemma. Okay. Only using Euclid division lemma. Okay, fine, fast. Okay, fine. Okay, 98. I don't know. Check it. It's wrong. Sairam. It's wrong. Hey, Ayush. It's wrong. Check all. 196, 38220. Yes, Rudisha. Yes, Kavani. It is 196, right or not? It is 196. Look, 38220 divided by 196. Here, 196, correct? But remainder what? Remainder what? Here, first. 382 minus 196. 186, right? 2, 9. Then 196 into 9, 1764. Okay. 1862 minus 1764. 980. That is 5, right? So okay, that means 196 is the HCF. 196 is the HCF. It's clear or not? 196 is the HCF. Okay. Dinesh, is it okay? Hello, Dinesh. Asma, is it okay? Affirm, not. Okay, clear or not? Okay, so now those who made mistakes, correct it. Okay, next one, right? 867 comma 255. 867 comma 255. 867 comma 255. 867 867 comma 255. Okay. Manasi, is it okay? Manasi, getting or not? Okay. But the answer HCF is what? HCF is 51. Yes, HCF is 51. Okay. 51, yes. Clear or not? Hello? Is it okay or? Farhana, Gautam, Jayant, Kashinath. Hello? Kashinath. Okay, okay. Okay, I'll wait, I'll wait. Kirtana. Yes, 867 and 255. Okay. No, it's a part of the work. Sad, it's a part of your only. No, don't go to the working order. Okay. Other cultural works, maybe you are subtracting. That's all. You can go to the working order. Okay. So answer is 51. Kashinath, finish or not? Okay. Kashinath, you made mistakes in the test. See the test question. How many rooms required? Total person is what? 252. Correct? Total person is 252. So I think you got 3780 rooms. What will you do with the 3780 rooms? Number of participants is 252 only with the 3780 rooms. What you will do? Even one person, we can cut the person. So you have to use that logic. Understood now? You have to think about it. With 252 persons, how what we can do this one? All close. So such case you have to do only HCF only. Then find the total number of rooms. HCF 252 divided by HCF. Okay. Okay. So anyway, next question. Okay. Okay. So now look at here. It's clear now how to find out. Okay, one more question you try. 32 and 54. 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 Nasreen, are you okay? Michelle, understood how to find out? Nazarene, Michelle. Are you getting or not? 32 and 54. Hey, 32 and 54. How come? How come Parth 32 is HCF? My question is 32 and 54. Hello, Parth. 32 and 54. 54 divided by 32. 1. 32. How much? 8. 18. Correct? Correct or no? No. How much here? 32 54 minus 32. How much? 22. Okay, then 32 divided by 22. 1, 22, 10. Right? Correct or not? Okay, then again 22 divided by 10. 2, 22. Then 10 divided by 2. 5, 10, 0. How much then? 2 is the HCF. Parth, understood? Hello, Parth. 2 is the HCF. Okay, next one more you try. 70 and 30. 70, comma 30. 70, comma 30. Okay. What is that? HCF is 10. HCF is 10. Okay. HCF is 10. Clear or not? HCF is. Okay. Now look at here now. Euclid division lemma, a limitation is what? Only for two numbers. Only for two numbers. Correct or not? It is defined only A and B are two positive. A and B are two positive numbers. Right? Then A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to or less than B. Okay, suppose you want to find three numbers. Okay, we have one more number, 40. What will do? Suppose you want to find out the, by Euclid division lemma, find the HCF of 70, 30, 40. What will do? What's the plan? Okay. Okay, what about others? Hello. By Euclid division lemma. No, not multiply. What multiply? What the meaning multiply what? Okay, Kashinath. Okay, look at here. The plan is you can find. No. Listen. You find. Listen. First, you find out the using this one. You find the HCF of first number. We got 10. Then 10 and 40. Find again. 2 times you have to find out. Understood? First, you find any two numbers. First, find the not first and second, any two numbers. Find the HCF of any two numbers. That number and third number. Okay, try one question. Right. Find the HCF of 184, 230, 276 by Euclid division lemma. By Euclid division lemma. Okay. 184, 230, 276. Okay. Try now. Okay. 46. Are you sure? Yes. 46. Okay. Mansuri, finish. Elisa. Hello, Elisa. Getting or not? Okay, Elisa, finish or not? Okay. Are you getting? Dinesh, wrong man. You find out 184, 230 first. Look at here. 230. Normal division 230 divided by 184 or 184. Tell me, what is this one? 230 minus 184. 46. Then 184 divided by 46. How much? 4. 184. Okay, so 46 is the HCF. Between these two, 46. Now what? 276 divided by 46. How much? Oh, it is directly going. Okay, that means 46 is the HCF. Correct? Elisa, understood? Parth. Okay. Mansui, finish or not? Okay, so now you try 136, 170, 255. 3 numbers. 136, 136, 170, 255. Okay. Okay. HCB is what? 17. Okay, wait. Any two. I told you no. Inaya, I told you that any two, any order. Okay. I told you the first, any order. There is no first and second or third. Any order you can take it. Okay. Yes, 17. Mansri, finish. Sath, you got? Oh, still doing. Okay. Okay, finish. Hello. Hello. Bhavans, finish or not? Okay, Ashwin. Arnav. So next question. Is it okay? Right. Find the HCF of 1656, 1656 and 4025. Find the HCF of 1656 and 4025 and 4025. 1656 and 4025. Okay. It's getting or not? Hello. Question what? 1656 4025. Okay, wait. It's correct, Avani. Yes, correct. Sairam. Correct. Everybody's type your answer, okay? I'll ask you. Arnav. Finish. Aksha. Abel. Aditi. Aditya. Okay, correct. Ayush, correct. Amina, correct. Saad, correct. Ansari. Divansh. Dinesh. Farhana. Soham, correct. Hardishta, correct. Gautam. Halima. Hermat. Inaya. Jay. Hello, Jayant. Danish, correct? Jayant. Yashvi, correct? Jayant, you're here or not? Okay. Kashinath. Okay, Sridarshini, correct? Lavanya. Mahi. Manav. Anusri, correct? Nizir. Nasreen. If not responding, I'll keep from the meeting, okay? If not responding, okay. Okay, you got all that. Navrin. Nubaid. Ramsha, finish. Ruben. You got the answer or not? Jay. Aditya, it's wrong, man. Aditya, it is wrong. You find out it's not one, it's not a prime numbers. There is a common factor. Aditya, check again. First number divided by First remainder is 2. Okay. Sorry, quotient is 2. Remainder, I think 713. Okay. Yes, correct. Abel, correct. Sharon. Yes, Aliza, correct. Yes, Neha, correct. What about Astral? Come on, fast. Dinesh. Kirtana, correct. Saman, correct. Kashi, no. We have class up to 3 o'clock. Everyone wait up to 3 o'clock. Okay. After some time, number of maybe 50, many are going. Class, wait till the end. Yes, Ramsha, correct? Farhana, wrong. Farhana, it's wrong. Check. The mistakes in division, not much. Okay. Shilas. Hey, Shilas joining now. What happened, man? Hello, Shilas. You're joining now. Okay. So 23 is the Shilas. Okay. So 23 is the HCF. 23 is the HCF. Anyone have a doubt? How to find out? 23 is the HCF. Okay. So, okay, now try this one. Find the HCF of, this one star question, okay? Find the HCF of 134791, 134. Anyone have this book? Okay. One, find the HCF of 1344791, comma 6341, comma 6339. 1344791, 6341, and 6339. Okay. What? Question bank. Okay. Okay, send me that. Send the first page, cover page. Okay, you on the video. Now it is a big screen here. You can on the video. Anyone can on the video. No problem. Okay, you can try. Don't check the net. Everyone try on the video. Where the book? Asma, where the book? Oh, this is Oswald. This one Oswald, Asma. Okay. That is Oswald, not my book. Oswald I have. This one, you're showing this one, no? Right? That's an old one. After that, they put another one. Actually, new one is this one. This year, 2021, this one. Okay. Okay, anyway, try what is HCF? What is HCF? 1. Now don't try the book because now don't try to get a new, don't buy new book now because syllabus not yet finalized. Okay, you wait for that. Don't hurry. Okay. If you order by courier, it will be more charge. I got this book, the new one, around 200 rupees only. Books cost. Shipping charge is 2000 rupees. Okay. 10 times more. Okay, what is the answer? HCF is 1, right? HCF is 1, yes. So then, if HCF is 1, what you can call that numbers? If HCF is 1, what you can say these numbers? Co-prime numbers, right? Co-prime numbers. Okay. HCF is 1, we can say it is called co-prime number. Finish all. Okay. So next one, right? Finish all now. Understood now how to find the HCF by Euclid division lemma. Now you learn 2 methods how to find the HCF. Okay. If not specified, look, suppose the method not specified, you can use easy method. I think long division method, prime factorization is easy, right? Hello, what do you feel? Prime factorization is easy, right? Okay. So now, right, show that, next question, show that, question, show that right, show that every positive even integer is of the form is of the form 2q, is of the form 2q, and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Listen, show that every positive odd integer is of the form, every positive even integer is of the form 2q and odd integer 2q plus 1. Clear now? Kashina, show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Okay, look at here. So first of all, you see, by using Euclid division lemma, you can show it. Look, I'll give the note, don't write. By Euclid division lemma is what? A equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Don't write, I'll give the note. When b equal to 2, a equal to what? 2q plus r equal to 0, 1. Then when r equal to 0, a equal to 2q, which is even number. When r equal to 1, a equal to 2q plus 1, which is odd number. Finish. So we proved general proof. Okay, because you cannot write 2 into 6 even number, 2 into 8 even number. No, you have to show the general cases. Okay, write this one. Let a and b are two positive integers. Let a and b are two. Let a and b are any two positive integers. Let a and b are any two positive integers. Then by Euclid division lemma, a equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r. 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Then when b equal to 2, a equal to 2q plus r. So r equal to 0, 1. R equal to 0, 1. Then case 1. When r equal to 0, a equal to 2q. A equal to 2q, which is even number. Case 2, when r equal to 1, a equal to 2q plus 1. Correct or not? An even number plus 1. It's an odd number. 2q plus 1, which is odd number. Okay. Clear now? That means every positive integer, every even positive integer is of the form 2q, or odd integer is 2q plus 1. Anyone had doubt how to show it? Hello? Okay, Yashvi. When b equal to 2, that means instead of b, 2 here. If it is 2 here, possible remainders are what? 0 and 1. If b equal to 3, possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. If b is equal to 5, possible remainders are 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Yes, sir? If b equal to 2, once again, b equal to 2, possible remainders are 1 and 0. B equal to 3, possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. B equal to 4, possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3. B equal to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Clear or not? Okay. So case number 1, r equal to 0, that means a equal to 2q. 2 into a multiple, 2 into something, that means even number, correct or no? Like 2 into 5, even number, 2 into 6, even number, 2 into 7, even number, 2 into 25, even number, 2 into something is even number. Okay. Case 2, r equal to 1, a equal to 2q plus 1, which is odd number, because an even number plus 1, like 2 plus 1, odd number, 26 plus 1, even number, like that. Therefore, an integer, if it is 2q, even number, 2q plus 1, odd number. Okay? It's clear or not now? Is it okay? Anyone doubt this one? Tell me first. Okay. So now next question. Hridisha, look at here, Hridisha. Our question is what? Hello. Hey, listen. Our question is, hello, come on, Hridisha, listen. Our question is a number multiples of 2q. We are sure that is an even number. And even number plus 1 odd number. That we have to show it. Okay. With the help of Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma is what? This is the Euclid division lemma. A equal to BQ plus R. Okay. Then we substitute, instead of B, we wrote A plus 2 into Q plus 1. If it is 2 here, possible remainders are 0 and 1. That understood or not? If it is 3 here, possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. If it is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 5, like that. Okay. Now case 1, this case 1, when r equal to 0, we got A equal to, okay, A equal to B into A equal to 2 into Q, R equal to 1. 2 into Q means what? 2 into a number, 2 into any integer, what? Tell me. Like 2 into 3, even or odd. 2 into 3, even or odd, even. 2 into 5, even. 2 into 4, even. 2 into 6, even. 2 into 7, odd, even. That means 2 into something, all even numbers only. Okay. Second case, when r equal to 1, we get A equal to 2q plus 1. That means 2q already even number. Even number plus 1 what? Odd number. Like 3, 2 is an even number. 2 plus 1 odd number. 5 is an even number. 5 plus 1 odd number. Sorry, odd number, even number is 6. 6 plus 1 odd number, like that. Now clear or not? Now you check the note. Yes, 2 into anything, 2m, Ayush, 2m, 2q, 2n. This all even number. 2p, 2x or even number. That means general form of an even number is 2q. Clear or not? Hridisha, clear now? Anyone have doubt? Tell me now, because it's not an easy. First time you're learning like this proof. Okay. Okay. So next question. Show that any positive integer. Show that any positive integer is of the form 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Show that any positive integer. Show that any positive integer is of the form. Show that any positive integer. Show that any positive integer is of the form 3q, comma 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Any positive integer is of the form 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Okay, try now. Okay. Are you getting or not? Same, you can write what? A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. When B equal to 3, again, A equal to 3Q plus 1. 3Q plus R. R equal to 0, 1, 2. When R equal to 0, 3Q. When R equal to 1, 3Q plus 1. When R equal to 2, 3Q plus 2. Hence, any positive integer is of the form 3Q, 3Q plus 1, 3Q plus 2. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. You wrote all the steps like this. Let A and B are any two positive integers. Then by Euclid division lemma, A equal to BQ plus R 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Then when B equal to 3, A equal to 3Q plus R, where R equal to 0, 1, 2. Case 1, R equal to 1, R equal to 0, A equal to 3Q. Case 2, R equal to 1, A equal to 3Q plus 1. Case 3, R equal to 2, A equal to 3Q plus 2. Therefore, any positive integer is of the form 3Q, 3Q plus 1, 3Q plus 2. Like suppose 9. 9, you can write what? 3 into 3. 10, 3Q plus 3 into 3 plus 1. Okay. 11, 3 into 3 plus 2. Like that. Clear or not? 15. What you can write? 3 into 5. 16. 3 into 5 plus 1. 17. 3 into 5 plus 2. This is the case. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Aditi, finish or not? Ansari. Okay. Next question. Show that any odd positive integer is of the form 4Q plus 1, 4Q plus 3. Show that any odd positive integer. Show that any odd positive integer is of the form 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3. Okay, try now. Any odd positive integer of the form 4Q plus 1 or 4Q plus 3. No? Okay. So what you got this one? Okay. Now look at here. This one. Come on. Here you have to specify. Look at here. As usual, A equal to BQ plus R 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Then A equal to B equal to 4 for Q plus R equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Then case 1, A equal to case 1 R equal to 0, A equal to for Q, which is even. You write that, which is even. Case 2, R equal to 1, A equal to for Q plus 1, odd number. R equal to 2, A equal to for Q plus 2, odd number, even number. Then case 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A equal to for Q plus 3, that is odd number. Therefore, final conclusion, what you have tried? Any odd integer is of the form for Q plus 1 or for Q plus 3. Right, like that. Okay. The final conclusion is you are right. Any odd integer is of the form for Q plus 1 or for Q plus 3. For Q plus 1 or for Q plus 3. Clear now? So this week we can finish completely this chapter. So next week onwards we'll start polynomials. Okay. This section will take time. Around 1 week will take this section. That's why they last year dropped this one. Okay. I give you 10 top star questions. One question sure in exam for this section. Okay. So study up to here because next class it will be more tough level. Clear now? Anyone doubt up to here? How to write this on? You by heart Euclid division lemma, by heart Euclid division lemma, and how to apply it. This is all you study. Next class, continue this one. Okay. This is enough today. If you want, you can check your. I will upload the video. You can check it.